Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm excited to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle SE in the long wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely Shuttle comes in a metallic paint colour, Indium Grey. Across the front of the vehicle we have 5 chrome stripes, giving a stylish look and finish to the vehicle. The vehicle comes with front and rear parking sensors, allowing for perfect manoeuvrability in every tight and tricky parking situation. Across both of the front wings is some lovely iconic transporter badging, and down below the vehicle sits on the stylish 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. The vehicle also benefits from having electric heated and power folding wing mirrors, as well as 2 sliding doors, behind which we have a seat arrangement with 3 seats in the middle and 3 seats at the back. The vehicle also benefits from having a 3-zone climate control system, allowing the rear passengers to be comfortable on any lengths of journey. Steps on either side allow for easy access into and out of the vehicle. The vehicle itself is equipped with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine and is equipped with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox, perfect from everything from those short to longer journeys. To the rear, the vehicle comes with a tailgate, behind which is a sizable load area with a few lashing points as well. And on the outer side of the tailgate, the vehicle comes with some very lovely transporter badging, as well as some LED rear light clusters. Dotted along the rear bumper are the rear parking sensors, which work with the front ones to display a parking aid within the cab itself. If you like what you've seen so far, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Moving up now, we'll take a quick look at the driver's interior. Upon entry, the driver is greeted with a handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a 6-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system. Up front there is a twin passenger bench, and the driver's seat comes with 2 armrests, and the upholstery is finished in the very lovely circuit fabric in a titanium black. So ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle SE long wheelbase. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Stick around, as later on we'll explore the interior of this vehicle in much greater detail. Thank you for sticking around. Joining me now in the cab, the controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. Moving over to that very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this allows the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience. So without the driver having to remove their hands from the steering wheel, they can operate the next or previous track or radio station, as well as increase and decrease the volume controls. There are other menus available to the driver. Here we'll be looking at the driver convenience one. So the adaptive cruise control over on the left hand side can be increased and decreased to the desired speed, as well as the distance between the vehicle in front. Moving over to the 6-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system, this vehicle comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. The vehicle also comes with access to FM, AM as well as DAB radio stations, providing a wide and varied list of different music genres. The vehicle also comes with a parking sensor toggle button as well as a stop start, and you can see once reverse gear has been selected or the toggle button has been selected, the parking aid will display. The climate controls system in this vehicle is very straightforward and also features a sync feature, allowing the front passengers as well as the rear passengers to have the same climate as the driver's side, allowing for a more controlled temperature within the vehicle. Throughout the rest of the cab comes a spacious interior and some lovely upholstered seats in the lovely circuit fabric. Underneath the twin passenger seat is some additional storage, perfect from everything from a small backpack to odd bits and bobs. So that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle in the long wheelbase. Again, if you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.